What does a multi-million-dollar Caribbean sunset actually look like? Today, I'm taking you in Sunset Vista, a Balinese-style villa on the cliff top at Jolly Harbour with views to die for. Let me show you why this isn't just a holiday home. This is a once-in-a-lifetime asset in Antigua. Let's start where everyone wants to be, outside.
Sunset Vista is perched on Reed's Point, one of Jolly Harbour's most exclusive addresses. From this hilltop, you get uninterrupted views of the turquoise Caribbean Sea, the harbour, and of course, the legendary West Coast sunset. You're just minutes away from the marina with a choice of restaurants, bars, and the supermarket, and you're on one of Antigua's most popular beaches. But up here, it feels completely private and secluded.
This is the showstopper, a dramatic infinity pool edge that feels like it spills straight into the ocean. Morning swims with glass calm water and the perfect spot for your evening cocktail to watch those sunsets. Around the pool, you've got multiple outdoor living zones, shaded lounging under the pergola, sunbeds, and a generous terrace for alfresco dining and cocktails.
Step inside and you immediately feel the Balinese influence. Natural wood, warm textures, high ceilings, and huge glass openings that keep the sea in view from almost everywhere. The main living area is open plan, lounge, dining, and kitchen all flowing into one another, and then back to the terrace again. It's relaxed, tropical, but still very refined.
This kitchen has been designed for people that actually like to cook. It has state-of-the-art appliances, and this view, I have never ever seen a kitchen that has a view of the turquoise waters and Montserrat. It's absolutely incredible. I don't think you'll ever want to leave this kitchen. Let's go check out the master bedroom. It's gonna have an incredible view. Oh wow, look at this.
It really is incredible. Sunset Vista comfortably sleeps up to 8 guests across 4 spacious bedrooms. Each one has its own ensuite bathroom, plush bedding, and of course, that same connection to the sea and outdoor spaces. The master suite is all about waking up to the light and water. Imagine opening your doors in the morning and this is your first view.
Whether it's family, friends, or paying guests, everyone gets a high-end private experience. No one is stuck in that bad room here. I'd like to come and have a look at Sunset Vista. This is a spectacular home. Get in contact with us and it will be our pleasure to show you what an amazing property this really is.